Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning this dirty, dusty balcony that we showed in the previous video. We're also going to be taking a trip to At Home. Yeah, I know we went there before, but when we went there before, we did not buy what we needed for the balcony.
Take these old raggedy chairs out and see what she want to do with these old plants she got out here that I can go ahead and mop. Yeah, wet it down, wet the ground down, mop it up, and you know, her and her mom can start a project. Yeah, TJ's happy place. I'm just making a pit stop in, trying to make the wife, you know, happy. You know what I'm talking about? What they say, happy wife, happy life. Don't I look happy yet?
Okay, so let's get rid of these awful, dusty, dry rotted chairs. I think we've had these for about 5 years. We got them from Lowe's. They were probably about $20 each. So we've done a good floor mopping. I know it would have been easier to use a power wash. It wasn't that dirty, it was just really dusty. So we mopped it really good. So here I have a plant stand that I'm going to be cleaning up. I know it looks rusty. When I bought this plant stand, it had a vintage look already. If you look closely, you could see it has brown paint on there, which is not really rust. I got this from Pt.1. I don't want to throw it away. I don't want to paint it black. So I'm going to try to get it to look the way it used to look. Now, as for these pots, we're gonna try to clean and scrub these pots because remember, we are doing a refresh on a budget. Same goes for these plant stands here. If I can avoid buying new plant stands, that's what I'll do. I have already cleaned one up, as you can see. This is how they looked before with all of the calcium lime scale deposits, dust, dirt. Now this one here, I used some Murphy's oil soap to clean it up, and I oiled it with just some regular household oil. I have to make sure I wipe the oil really good because I know I said it's dusty, and we know dust sticks to oil. We're gonna save these plants, and one thing I have to say about these plants, I have a dog. He likes to scratch his back on those plants. That's why they've been looking so raggedy. They're growing these little flowers. I've never seen these little flowers on these plants before. Very interesting. We're gonna trim them up real good. As you can see, some of the stems are broken, and that's because of the dog. Then this one here, we're gonna trim it up real good. Cut a lot of this off, and then I'm gonna start a new plant. I know it's so overgrown. Lord knows what can be back there. Figure out what we're gonna do with this junkiness right here. So today we're gonna be heading to the At Home store. Once again, I know we went there recently in a video, but we didn't buy anything for the balcony. This time we have an idea what we want. We want chairs, we want seat cushions, pillows, planters, maybe some garden picks, lanterns, and they're having a 4th of July sale. So we're gonna go try to take advantage of that sale. This is what I was really looking for. These, dang, $79. These are the ones that are buy one. They're having a buy one, get one half off sale. Anyway, we don't want turquoise. Colorful pots, and they're cheap because they're lightweight plastic. This is cute. That yellow one, that's similar. Ooh, that's ceramic. That's heavy. Ceramic. Plastic. I want to know how much this is. 20. Anyway, you guys. Look at that. So they're having a patio sit. Yes. Over here. Where were you? Buy one, get one 50% off. I'm right here. I used to really love this color. $29. These are cute. If I were getting it only for me, I would get this pattern because that's pretty to me. I saw that online. That looks a little country to me. Country. Let's look at these chairs. Yeah. So, we were looking for some of the chairs that are $59 at $99. I'm glad he's involving himself. I didn't expect for him to be as involved as he is right now.
Yeah.
She's gonna help us put it all together. Why is this store so bright today?
How I feel?
It feels decent.
This is your decoration, y'all. This is her decoration.
Okay, so the chairs we were looking for, I don't see them at all. These $99 chairs. Oh, here they are. Yeah, here they are. That's good. Everything looks like it's gonna be ready.
Y'all look happy, y'all?
That's cute. I looked at that earlier, and then those fireplaces are cute. They're $99. Look at that. really Halloween? Wow. You guys, look at that. See how these two might look together. But uh-oh, we're going with something that's not super bright. I was trying to do bright. Look at me. I'm going toward my usual colors. The lighter one looks better, huh? I cannot believe they have Halloween stuff out already. It's only June. Oh my God. This is crazy. These aren't 50% off. So cute. $19.99. These are so high to be so cheap. They're plastic. So I picked up a few items. I ended up putting those red pillows back because the seat cushions weren't on sale. Okay, we just happened to come to Costco. See, the thing is, my mother has some pillows for me for free. Some black and white pillows, yeah.
That's what she said?
Yeah, she's gonna bring them, but she's gonna bring them whenever she comes. So, okay, you guys, so I decided to stop by Lowe's another time. Look at me, I am just repeating. Anyway, I ordered this plant hanging system from Amazon. I can't even explain it yet, but I need to buy some smaller plants to put in these hanging planters.